Hi, I'm Ava. Welcome to Korean Ladder, the audio first Korean lesson show.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 친구끼리 쓰는 짧은 질문을 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 짧고 자연스러운 반말 질문을 연습해봐요.
Here's my problem. I know, 어디 가요? But my Korean friends text, 어디가? Is that just chopped off Korean?
좋은 질문이에요. 가까운 친구나 서로 반말을 쓰기로 한 사이에서는 짧게 어디가 라고 하면 아주 자연스러워요.
But if you are not close, or you did not agree to use 반말, these can sound too blunt. So today we learn the form and the boundary.
So today is not just grammar. It's also, don't accidentally sound rude.
오늘의 패턴은 의문사 플러스 짧은 반말 동사예요. more word plus a short casual verb. 어디가? 언제와? 왜 그래?
의문사는 question word예요. 어디 means where, 언제 means when, and where means why.
And the verbs are tiny. 가, 와, 그래.
맞아요. First, 어디가? 어디 means where, and 가 is the casual form of 가다, to go.
어디가? It literally asks where someone is going, but in Korean, it can also be a casual, friendly check-in.
어디가? Like, I see my friend leaving and ask, where are you headed?
좋아요. Second, 언제와? 언제 means when, and 와 is the casual form of 오다, to come.
Direction matters. 안에서 강. If the person is coming toward my place, I ask, 언제 와? When are you coming?
Sob is come, toward here. Go is go, away from here, or to somewhere else.
맞아요. 언제가 is when are you going, and 언제와 is when are you coming.
Third, 왜 그래? 왜 means why. And 그래 is the casual form of 그러다. To be or do like that. Depending on the situation, 왜 그래 can mean what's wrong or why are you doing that?
Oh, so, 왜 그래 is not just a plain why. It points to someone's behavior or state.
네. Soft tone can sound caring, like what's wrong. Sharp tone can sound annoyed, like why are you acting like that?
Now notice the grammar shortcut in these yo forms. Polite 어디 가요 becomes casual 어디가. Polite 언제 와요 becomes casual 언제 와. For these close friend forms, yo drops when the relationship allows 반말.
So, I should not think every polite Korean sentence minus is automatically safe.
맞아요. Today just remember these very common short questions. 어디가? 언제 와? 왜 그래?
Let's unpack the three question words. 어디 is where, 언제 is when, and 왜 is why.
Let me reason it out. 어디 plus 가 means where go. So naturally, where are you going?
좋아요. And 언제 plus 와 means when, come. So naturally, when are you coming?
And 왜 plus 그래 means why like that. In real English, choose what fits. What's wrong or why are you doing that?
Now listen to a short close friend dialogue. The card has the real lines and you will hear them after my setup. 어디가?
잠깐 편의점.
언제 와?
금방 올게.
I noticed the answer was 금방 올게, not just 금방 와.
맞아요. 금방 올게 means I'll be back soon. In real Korean, 올게 is the natural promise form when you mean I'll come back.
금방 와 can sound like a command, come back soon, or like talking about someone else, depending on context. For your own promise, say 금방 올게.
Okay, repeat after me time. I'll try the short questions.
Listen first. 어디가? The final pitch can rise a little, but it does not need to sound dramatic.
어디가?
좋아요. A little smoother. 어디가? Let 어디 flow into 가.
Next, 언제 와? keep 와, clear and short.
언제 와?
좋아요. natural speed. 언제 와? It sounds casual, not formal.
Now the careful one. 왜 그래? Say it softly if you mean what's wrong.
왜 그래?
좋아요. With a warm voice. 왜 그래? Sounds like you notice something is wrong.
Common mistake check. If I say this to my professor, 어디가? Is that bad?
Usually, yes. To a professor, teacher, older stranger, or anyone you are not close with, use polite speech like 어디 가세요? or 어디 가요? 내일 어디 자요? Depending on the relationship.
본이다. 반말 is not only age. It is closeness, agreement, and situation. Even with someone the same age, do not assume 반말 until it feels clearly okay.
Another mistake. Translating why as 왜 그래? Every time. Like, why is the store closed? Can I say 가게가 왜 그래?
For a plain why question, use 왜 with the actual verb. Why is it closed? Is 왜 닫았어? or 왜 문 닫았어? In casual speech, 왜 그래? is more like what's wrong with it or why is it like that?
So keep 왜 그래? For a person, mood, behavior, or situation that feels unusual.
Quiz time. Your close friend is coming to your home later. Which question is most natural?
I'm choosing A. 언제 와? Because they are coming toward me.
정답은 A. 언제 와? 와 means come toward here. 언제가 means when are you going? And 왜 그래? means what's wrong or why are you doing that?
One more. You see a close friend suddenly looking upset. Which question fits best with a caring tone?
That should be B. 왜 그래? Said gently.
맞아요. 정답은 B. 왜 그래? With a soft voice, it means what's wrong. With a sharp voice, it can sound annoyed. So tone matters. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 어디가? 라는 말은 가까운 친구에게 Where are you going? 이라고 묻는 표현이에요. 어디 means where and 가 means go.
둘째, 언제 와? 라는 말은 when are you coming? 이에요. In English, remember that 와 is come. 가 is go. 야, Direction changes the question.
셋째, 왜 그래? 라는 말은 상황에 따라 what's wrong 또는 why are you doing that? 이라는 뜻이에요. Soft tone sounds caring. Sharp tone sounds annoyed.
넷째, 이 표현들에서는 요를 빼면 반말이 돼요. In English, these short forms are casual, so use them only with close friends or people who clearly agreed to 반말.
Keep her sentence for me. 어디가? Short, friendly, and only safe when the relationship is safe.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 어디가? It is simple, natural, and close friend casual.
Next time, we'll answer these questions naturally. 편의점 가, 집에 가, 금방 올게. See you on the next round.